arts and crafts? Yes, please. Let's get artsy.
Hi, I'm Fiona. Welcome to the New York State Museum in Albany, New York. Today we're making a porcupine craft with the help of our own handprints. To do this craft, some of the materials that you'll need include paper, glue, googly eyes, a pencil, a black marker, and some scissors. Now, porcupines are my absolute favorite animals, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is give our porcupine his quills. So we're going to take our paper and trace our hand and then cut out that shape. And once we have 7 or more handprints, we can start building our porcupine. I'm using a bunch of black and brown and tan colors to make a North American porcupine, like the porcupine next to me on the table. But there's a bunch of other color combinations that you can use. If you were to use black and white paper, you might be making an African crested porcupine. If you were to use all orange colors, you could be making a baby prehensile-tailed porcupine. So a bunch of different ways that you can do it. We're going to arrange our handprints so that we can see as many fingers or quills as possible. So just like they're all spread out in my porcupine, we can see as many as possible and then glue each layer. We want to make sure that the glue is on the palm of our hand, not on the fingers. We'll glue each layer just like that until we have something like this. So we can see all his quills peeking through all those different colors. Now our porcupine isn't quite looking like a porcupine yet. We need to add his face. So I'm going to use some of the scrap paper from my handprints before and cut off a little bit where there's at least one corner. It's going to be smaller than the palm of my hand. So I think I'm going to cut off around here. And we want to leave one corner completely uncovered, maybe this one. And that will be our face. So I'm going to glue that scrap paper to my handprints. Perfect. Our porcupine needs an eye to see. You can use 2 eyes or 1 eye, depending on if you want to look straight at your porcupine or its profile where you'd only see 1 eye from the side. I'm going to do 1 eye today. And then to finish up our porcupine, I'm going to draw on the tip of that corner a nose so that he can smell food, and then a mouth so he can eat it. He has a big smile because he's very happy to be a porcupine. And there you have your prickly paper porcupines. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you had fun doing this craft. Bye!